car that was parked right here. And then,
you saw all that?
yeah. And then, like, we of course moved out of the way to let him through.
You just blasted through a stop sign at full speed. Somebody was pulling out. No, ma'am.
What are you, the public police?
No, I'm just concerned for people's safety and your inability to drive. Nope. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck was that, dude?
Podcasts.
Oh, is that what he meant?
Yeah, because like that's Cody's lineage, right?
That's all that matters, right? Comedian podcasts. Yeah.
I'm mentioning Adam Curry.
No, it's all right. You know what? I'm being facetious. I don't want credit for anything. It's all said.
You were the first. You were the first YouTube.
I was the first virtual reality character on the site in 1998, and I won an Emmy for it.
No signal.
Oh, he flipped you off.
circle shrinks because you're not seeing coworkers every day. What happens when your purpose isn't built into your calendar anymore? These questions don't show up in financial planning software.